Hello, now we are going to set different type of setting of this, but at this time we are at this counter. Next we are going to add, you can add your text here like this. Counter value start where the counter value is, you can set it 1001. You can set it box unit, increase the unit of the counter, a unit position after counter, before counter, a counter direction, count up, counter box text goes here. Okay, going to save, press R, save and press update. After a few seconds system will be update this and save this. We are going to see if there change. Done, 1001, done. Next we are going to add another element in our website, frequently asked question. You can add this type of, but at this time we are not this image carousel. Bulk image uploads, you can upload different type of image from here, like download, documents, pictures. You can add any type of picture, but at this time we have no any pictures in our computer. No problem, you can add different type of picture here, and then you can enjoy the cursor of this. For this, we can use this options in next time, because we have don't image at this time. You can also add here a counter circle, flip box. If you are need any type of flip box here, you can add this. Your text goes here. You can add welcome to my life. Next heading welcome to my world. Third one here, welcome to my country. Done. You can also content here, this is my life. I welcome to you with my respect. You can save the icon, look like this. You can change the different type of icon circle. Okay, otherwise nothing special changes. I am going to upload this. Press the update button. After the save this system saving the data, and we are going to click on refresh button. This is show here, look like this. If a person mouse over here, then show this, otherwise not show this. Welcome to my life, welcome to my world. Done. You can edit more here, flip box, edit, effect. You can change the effect, like many type of effect of show here. Click the edit button like this. You can change the effect, different type of effects are available here. Icon image, you can add your own text here. Cancel. After the few seconds, click on the element. You can also add gallery, and you can also add any image. You can also add a light box. You can approve pricing table. Mostly we are use the pricing table, style 1, style 2. Done. Just first of all we are save this. check which type of output we are showing here. Style 1, we are at this type, we are style 1. I'm going to refresh this and we are going to refresh this. This type of pricing system show here, like a standard package, premium package, feature 1, feature 2, feature 1. This is our first. We are going to add next style. I am going to copy this, again change, then we are set here different type of setting here. We use the style tool. Press the save, press update. System will be update this. Going to refresh button. Is there system will be show the next pricing table. Next pricing table more both of the different are little bit. This heading is using the color, but this heading use the color, but this heading no use the color. We can add different type of features here. How to manage this? Let's see how to manage this. Click here. You can select the color, background color, hover color, border color, divider color. You can set the all type of setting here. But how to add the content in this table? Click the table. This system will be show here. Standard package. You can change this like my standard package, my premium package, column 1 2. You can add the more column here. 2 column show. My premium package done. You can also different add-ons, hosting, space, 1 GB. In this package you can set the hosting space 5 GB. You can set here hosting space 10 GB and the price is $35. You can set the bandwidth 100 GB. I'm going to copy this and going to paste here. 200 GB, 300 GB. You can change look like this. You can also change the button text buy now. You can set the link here, select the link here. You can set here, insert. And copy all this and paste here. Paste here. Save this. Update this. System will be take few seconds. I am going to refresh this. This is the 2 type of column 1, 2, 3. Done. You can just see this. Hosting 1 GB, 2 GB. You can click on the buy now, buy now, buy now, order now. Going to remove this order now button settings. Where this come from? Pricing table. Click here. I think so table, and this is here written order now. I'm going to remove this order now. I'm going to remove this order now. Update button. System will be take few seconds. We will remove the order now, because then after this order buy now come in the center of this page. Wait please, system will be save the settings. Refresh button. done. System will be show the counter is working properly. Flip icon working this will be also working like this. After this we are going to work on our next element. Click on the element after the pricing table. User registration, get area, YouTube video, user login, progress. Next is checklist. We are going to add your content goes here. First of all, we are save this and we are update this. After this we are going to refresh this page. Thanks for your watching.